All right, now we got Trump stock, and I mentioned last week that I wasn't looking for much action last week. I was looking for an inside bar pretty much, and that's what happened. It was a tight range last week. Not too much action on Trump stock last week. We might pick up again this week. Maybe we'll get a green candle like that towards that upper weekly Bollinger Band, which could be around 60, 61 potentially. Maybe getting another higher low on the daily here. Ideally, the bulls are going to want to hold this higher low now, 48.58. So you could bottom fish around those levels with a tight stop loss for a potential bounce at this level. So looking for a potential bottom fish opportunity around here and see if we get more action on Trump stock this week because it was quiet last week. But the pattern overall still looks good. We got low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. Can we go for another higher high? If this does bust to a new higher high, it's probably going to be a big move because probably going to squeeze a lot of shorts that think it's topping or losing momentum here. The volume has quieted down a lot, but you notice it picked up slightly on this little bit of a down move over here. We got some resistance up at 56.52. We got the daily lower high pattern to watch. We have resistance at 52.58, 53.80, 54.60. Give or take these lower highs right here. Initially, bulls are going to want to break this lower high at 52.58 and hold ideally 48.58. So the first clue, if this is going to move, is it needs to hold 48.58. That's the first clue. The second clue, even if it doesn't hold 48.58, let's say it goes a bit lower and bounces off the Bollinger Band. The second clue is if it breaks this level, 52.58, then it breaks the daily lower high pattern and shows that the momentum is coming back in the bulls' favor. So if that happens, we might get a bigger move this week on Donald Trump stock, DJT. So something to watch out for. I'm going to keep it on my radar this week. Watch those levels.